All right, good morning, everybody. I am partially dressed for school, as you can see. But I thought I'm going to try the pulled pork. So, as you can tell, Faith is not used to sharing her attention in the morning. So, I am going to use Epicure's pulled pork. Stop. She just likes to hear herself bark, so I'll make this quick. So I'm going to use Epicure's pulled pork. I already have my pork. I've taken it out of the packaging and drained it. Rinsed it off. It's in my sink. So I'm going to use Epicure scissors, which are fabulous. And so it says combine the seasoning with a cup of ketchup, vinegar, brown sugar, water. And that's the recipe that's on the package, but I'm not going to do it that way. I am just going to sprinkle it on and rub it into the meat. So, I'm going to put my pulled pork in. And you can tell I haven't done the dishes. The kitchen's not clean. So, look, it's keeping it real, cooking with Lisa. And stop. I'm trying to do a live. No. No. Oh, goodness. My apologies. Faith is not used to sharing her time in the morning. So I am just going to rub my meat down. Massage my meat with the pork seasoning. So other than the bottom, and I didn't trim the fat off of my pork. I know some people do. I like to cook my pork with the fat on because I think it leaves all that great seasoning in the pork. So I've left all that one layer of fat on the bottom of the pork is on there. So I have it in my crock pot. I got my crock pot liner. And so tonight, I'll show you the finished product. So there's our pulled pork in the crock pot. So I will catch you tonight to show you what our pork looked like when I took it out of the crock pot. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. Sorry about Faith. Hi, everybody. All right, so this morning, you watched me. I put my pork roast, rubbed it down with Epicure's pulled pork seasoning, and went to work, right? So usually my videos show how fast, fix it, 20 minutes or less, cook once, eat twice, a meal can be. But today, I wanted to show you the versatility of Epicure's products. So I have already taken my pork out of the crock pot. So here's our pork. I'm going to pull the pork apart. I'm going to set that over there. I'm using my grip and grab to kind of hold my meat while I pull it apart. And look how tender. Oh, let's do this. Look how tender this meat is. Just falling right apart with the fork. On the smell-o-meter scale, I walked into the house and said, oh my gosh, that house smells good. So originally, I was going to do pulled pork nachos, right? But then I remembered I have sweet potatoes. And I'm like, I'm going to make sweet potato fries. So before I did the video and took my pork roast out of the out of the crock pot, oh my gosh, sorry. I cooked some sweet potato fries in the air fryer. So I'm gonna set my grip and grab there and get my scissors, my knife. This is the Epicure's Pro knife, and it is ceramic. It can't go in the dishwasher. It has to be hand washed, and it never needs to be sharpened, which is quite fabulous, right? And look how it's cutting right through that meat. Pulled it apart, but I like mine a little smaller, especially because I'm going to put it on my fries. All right, so that's done. So now I sweet potato fries. I cut up one sweet potato with some of the garlic and herb spices on them. Okay, slide down a little. So I have my fries. I'm trying to see if I can get you. I'm gonna raise that up just a little. What could I raise it up? I'm gonna raise you up on eagle's wings. All right, so here's my fries. I have my pulled pork. All right, so I got my sweet potato fries. I have my pulled pork. I'm using one of my favorite barbecue sauces. And I'll use my Epicure corner spatula just to kind of mix it around. And you can add as little or as much barbecue sauce as you want. I don't know how big my roast was, to be honest with you, So the pulled pork, I put the pork roast in the crock pot this morning before school. Rubbed it down with Epicure's pulled pork seasoning, which is gluten-free, low sodium. And the sodium content in this packet is, hang on, I'm looking. There's only 180 calories in the whole packet. 260 milligrams of sodium in the whole packet, and that's not bad. I mean, if I had one from the store, I would compare it for you, but I don't. So I have my pulled pork. I'm going to put that right on my sweet potato fries. Okay, using my grip and grab. And then I used my, what's it called? The Genie, no, Bullet. My Bullet food processor. And chopped up some cheddar cheese. And bada bing, bada boom. We have pulled pork sweet potatoes in the room for dinner. That's how easy Epicure is. So it can be 20 minutes or less, you know, in the multi-purpose steamer, on the stove, in the oven. And it can be as easy as putting it in the crock pot before you go into work and coming home and having pulled pork french fries. Garlic and herb seasoning on the sweet potato fries. Pulled pork seasoning on my pork. And dinner's done. Have a great day, everybody. Bye!